all commonality, all coincidences share a single commonality across the board, and that is a holistic. It's a holistic. This is not even unanimously. This is just invariably opposed accord in all cases, and far more. Every one of those coincidences is a mind and matter byproduct, substance and attribute. It's quite obvious. So, in radical materialists attribute coincidences in physics based on an infinite amount of chaos narrative is inevitable. In biology, they attribute coincidences to evolutionary biology, preceding back to our primordial era. Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism was contingent on pattern recognition, and that makes feasible sense. Guy goes hunting and he uses pattern recognition because it's a survival mechanism. So that's their definition for coincidence. In psychology attribute coincidences to confirmation bias or selective reasoning. Metaphysics attribute coincidence to mind and matter, substance and attribute. Metaphysics, looks on physics. Physics study